What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today in the shop we are working on a 2018 Nissan Altima. This vehicle actually came from an auction at Copart, and if you are curious about how much I paid for the car, we'll stick around till later in the video when I reveal that price. Until then, let's continue to tear down this car and see what damage we can find. Now I do want to mention that this vehicle was totaled by the insurance company, which means that the value of the vehicle did not exceed the value of the damage that needed to be fixed. Why they totaled it? That's unknown to me. So let's continue to tear it apart and find out exactly why the insurance did not want this vehicle back on the road. Now that the rear bumper has been removed, you can see just how far the rear end has been pushed in. This car took a big hit from something, that's for sure. Majority of these parts are going to be replaced. Surprisingly, the spare tire was perfectly fine. Usually with this type of a crash, it's at least popped or smushed in half, but not this guy. All I found was a bunch of water in the tub. Now, in order to do this repair properly in the way the manufacturer wants it done, we are going to detrim the entire back half of the car. That way, for safety reasons, when I start welding the new parts on the vehicle, there won't be any question of whether a spark will fly in there and start a fire. And it's also good to keep the interior out of the car when we do body filler work. That way, all the dust won't get all over the seats or the trim and make it really difficult to detail the car later on. Now the rest of the trim that I'll be removing on the car is going to be for paint. This allows the painter to get into all the hard nooks and crannies and just creates for a really good paint job. Now let's talk about the cost of this vehicle and how much I had to pay Copart to get it. The sale price ended up being $6,300. After all the fees added to that, the total came to $7,998.51. Then I paid for shipping of the vehicle, which was $110, so I'm in just over $8,100 in total for the car. And at this point, my wife and dog decided to come by because it was lunchtime, and they wanted to throw a dance party. And there you have it. The reason why the insurance company probably totaled out this car. Not only are the quarter panels bad, the rear body's bad, the floor is bad, the deck lid's bad, the tail lamp pockets are bad, but the rails are bent and kinked. Insurance companies do not like this, and it probably costs way more to replace all these parts than it does to just total the car. So, let's see if we can fix this car at a reasonable cost and maybe make some money when we sell it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.